Hey, I'm Kathy. It's one thing to draw a picture, but it's a completely different thing to watch it wiggle to life. Today we'll be making some beautiful drawings come to life and dance. For this experiment, you'll need 2 plates with smooth surfaces, dry erase markers, a permanent marker, a cup, some water, rubbing alcohol, and paper towels. First, fill your cup up with room temperature water. We'll set this aside for now. Next, take a dry erase marker, whatever color you want, and draw whatever you want onto your plate. I'm going to keep it simple and just draw a stick figure for now. Let it dry. After a while, you're going to take a dry finger and wipe it across your drawing. Observe what happens when you do so. If your drawing does come off, draw it again. Then after that, we're going to take your cup of water and we're going to slowly pour it onto your drawing. If nothing happens, just give your plate a little shake. Then wait and observe to see what happens. After all that jazz, we're going to take the permanent marker and we're going to draw on the second plate. Again, let it dry. Take a dry finger and wipe across your drawing. Observe what happens and ask yourself a question. How was this different in comparison to the dry erase marker? Afterwards, we're going to take your cup of water and we're going to pour it onto your drawing slowly again. Wait and observe for what happens. And clean up as always. You can clean your drawings off of the plate with a rubbing alcohol soaked paper towel. Afterwards, you're just going to take your plate and rinse it under warm water. So what's the science behind all this? Firstly, you'll need to know these couple of terms. A solvent is a liquid that is used to dissolve other substances. A polymer is something that is largely or completely made up of a bunch of similar units together, like Legos. After following those steps, you should have noticed that you were able to wipe off the dry erase marker from the plate, but not the permanent marker. That's because the dry erase marker has a solvent in it, alcohol, that evaporates. As a result, only the colored pigment and the polymer are left. You also should have noticed that the permanent marker doesn't float in the water like your wiper marker does. Permanent marker sticks to the plate with their acrylic polymer resin, while the oily silicone polymer of the dry erase marker doesn't allow for sticking on the plate. Oh, also, the ink is lighter than water, so water can slip underneath it, floating it like it's at a pool in the summer. Furthermore, during your cleanup, the rubbing alcohol made both the dry erase and permanent marker disappear. That's because rubbing alcohol is both of their solvents. Cool, right? Don't forget to have fun dancing with your drawings. HatterSTEM out.